Alright, listen. So you've probably done everything you possibly can to grow your blog. You're doing everything right, everything perfectly, but you're still not getting that result. You have that clickbait, you have that SEO, you know your audience, you have the storytelling, you have the vulnerability, the everything. You have everything perfectly nailed, but you're not growing. I'm going to crack the secret, crack the code to the number one thing why you're not growing. So if you want to know more, just keep watching from start to finish to get that answer. So the first thing is a lack of freaking patience. You can't expect yourself to grow in literally 3 months if you're doing everything perfectly, you're doing everything right. You only have probably like 3 blog posts. This is really when quantity over quality really does matter. Don't even care if you're perfect, because perfection is a killer. To be honest with you, I try to make all my videos perfect, all my content perfect, and that just slowed me down. Don't even think about your audience, don't think about how am I serving them. Just get content out there so people have something to read and something to look at. We all start somewhere, and if you really want to be relatable and inspire people, you have to show that process and that journey and just that timeline of sucking and improving and getting amazing. Number 2, you might be doing something amazing, but you're not giving it enough time to really see the traction. Because this is when you have to test stuff. You have to do as many blog posts and see which one performed the best, and whichever performed like amazing and blew up, repeat it over and over and over and over again. You can't see if your stuff is getting good or getting bad if you don't have enough content out there. So please just be consistent. Consistency is key, but don't just be like, oh, you're just consistent, stuff is randomly just gonna go blow up for you. No, it improves your chances. You still have to put good quality crap out there. I'm in Dexter's laboratory right now. I have not have a video yet that has really taken off, and I'm just testing stuff. I'm seeing what works and seeing what doesn't work. I'm being okay with failing. I'm being okay with not being perfect, and you have to be willing to face that. Be ready to fail and be okay with that. Okay, before we get into the final step, I want to share something. So a lot of people have been saying, you know, maybe this content creation is just purely luck. You just have to be lucky. A little bit is definitely luck, I will agree, but you need to make sure you are working your butt off and you have a good network. Because getting your blog post clicked on, that's luck, but them reading it and them liking it, that's not luck at all. You still have to put good stuff out there. And at first I thought this content creation was luck. I'm like, I'm not growing. What is going on here? I'm not getting the traction, and I realized I'm being way too freaking impatient. But yes, we're gonna talk about it. The final tip, the one tip why you're stuck. It's the timing. Because you can be doing something right. You can be doing everything right. You have the storytelling to stand out from your audience, or giving value to impact your audience. You have a niche to target your people. You have SEO so people can get to your crap. You are not saturated or, you know, completely out. But if you don't have the right timing, it's not gonna work. Because I did a video about Spear, the new app, and I swear to you, if I would have done that video the day before that app came out on YouTube, my video probably would have blown up very quickly because my timing was there. You need to know what's current in the zeitgeist. That means you need to know what people are searching for and what people want. And if it's saturated, you literally have to do it a day before it actually starts so that you're the first search. At the right time, right place is everything. So know your niche. Know what, when you write about something, know your niche. Know what's popping, know what's hot, and make sure you're the first one. Don't even worry if you don't know enough about the topic. Just put it out there so that people get to you first, and you're gonna get that traction tremendously. So be okay with not making your first blog post perfect and then moving on. That's why you see those big bloggers, YouTubers blowing up in 3 months, because their timing was perfect. They know a trend that's out. They're the first one to do that trend, or they do something that stands out from everyone else. They're the first one to do something different from what everyone else was doing. So if you write about something that's just about to be really high in the trend, but you're the first one to do it before it actually starts, that is how you get your first viral blog post, article, anything, because people are searching for it way before you even did it. So you're already like way ahead of schedule. But if you are just specifically looking for the right time, right place to have the right timing and the right place at the right time, you will not grow. ever, because you don't anticipate what is popping by copying someone's crap or doing what you think is popping. You need to know your audience and know how you can help them and give them value and impact their lives and solve their problems. When you write content, when you blog, when you put your writing out there, it's never about you. It's about your audience. They're reading your stuff. They're giving you your valuable time. Time is finite. People have lives and you don't want to waste their time. You have to serve that time well. You give them value. Share your story times. Be there for them. Show that you care about them. That's how you're going to get your true engaged audience. You're going to develop trust and you're going to get that traction organically. Yes, I am in Dexter's laboratory testing crap out, but I always think about, the audience, you guys, like, what do you want to see? That's exactly what you should be doing too. But yes, thank you so much. If you stayed till the end of the video, I want to say thank you. You are grateful. I'm so grateful for you, and you are amazing. You actually care, and I really want you guys to make it. I want you guys to leave that 9-to-5 and just create that dream life, even drop out of school and college and make this a full-time thing, because I really do care. I want you to go full-time and live the life and go out in paradise and relax and sleep and all of that. But you have to put that work in. You have to put that hard work and that time and that effort. But yes, I hope that you can go out there and crush it for me, okay? Go out there and crush it, and I love you guys. A blogger or writer who really needs help, stuck in a dilemma, they're like, I'm not growing, what's going on? I'm doing everything perfect. Please share this to them, your mom, your dog, your stuffed bear, your friends, whoever. And also listen to my podcast. I have a podcast down below just in case you're really, really busy. You can still get value from me. So, okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.